Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. Good morning.
Respect.
Yes, sir. All right. I am Michelle, and with me is my husband Marcel, and we are in Morant District, Grantham, Clarendon. We're heading to see a family who is in need of some help. So please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. So once you post a new video, you will be updated. Alright guys, so we are here this morning with Miss Janet,
yes,
right, from Morant in Grantham, Clarendon, like I had said before. So we really came to see one of our subscribers or donors who gave us some items for distribution, and so somehow, you know, we are here. A good friend of hers brought us here to see her. So Miss Janet.
Well, from the year 2017, I have been trying to get a house. It was Food for the Poor that was given in charge of the free houses, as I have heard. All right. I didn't get any response because I only wrote a letter. I did not attach any documents to it. Okay, so it was past Powell from Peckham who I asked to assist me with the house, and he said I could write and he would drop off the letter. Anyway, I got no response for that. No documents were attached, so. Okay, so in the year 2020 again, I wrote another letter. This time I attached documents, tax receipt and so on. They said they need title, so that was a no again. Didn't get any response for that either. So it was this year, January, I went back to the office, and the person who worked there said the best thing I should do is to write to the Prime Minister, and which I did. They wrote letters of recommendation, MP and pastor, yeah, they wrote letters of recommendation along with my documents, so those were sent up from me. So I haven't gotten any response. I don't know when the Prime Minister will come my way, but as I cannot wait because the house is more than deplorable.
Okay.
The walls are shaky because some are nag. The back part are black, but the black them never make so good. So if me lean on the drop and it made damage, hurt us. Let me just beg God say have mercy, because we have to walk on the back to get to the little house we in. Okay. But the wall hit by the top of leak. When me cooking, it come like me the outside, water drop on my pot, me have to shift up. The bedroom I wet same way, a little bit. Right now me have a mattress and I can't even put it in there. It's small. Okay. And everywhere I wet up. Yeah, it's very bad. Okay,
how long has it been like this?
Say, from in 2020, it has been getting worse.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so how has the recent hurricane affected the house?
Yeah, man, it shake it up worse because one of the room that we put a piece of tarpaulin on the top, all of the zinc are gone from it. Yeah.
Okay, so you want to show us what it looks like?
Well, I would want you to come inside, but my mother is there and she fussy, but we still show you. I will still show you on how it is.
Okay. All right, so while you're walking, let me just ask you, what kind of job do you do? What do you do for a living?
Well, from 2020, I don't have a job. I used to work at the school from 2014 till sit, but because of the corona, I was laid off, so I haven't gotten any more jobs since that.
Okay.
I was a janitor there.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, did you try to get something to do after that?
Well, unfortunately, no.
Never. Okay.
And then I am hypertensive, so.
Oh, you're hypertensive.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so that has prevented you from affected you looking for a job.
Well, I wouldn't really say it has, but sometimes because of this problem, the house, I'm stressed over it. Yeah, I'm stressed. You have to.
Okay.
I'm stressed over it because people make a mock at us. They call us naughty.
Okay, so Miss Janet, you were telling us just now that you can go ahead, I'll follow you and you show me while we talk. You were saying that you're sometimes very stressed.
Yes, because of the living condition. And the people make a mock at us, some of the people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All
Yeah,
right.
it's very bad. Very, very bad.
Good morning.
Morning.
Okay.
Say something, yeah, Mom. Say something.
Let say something.
Yeah, say something to him.
Okay.
Yeah, if you say something.
Okay.
Nobody, them people, nobody now go look and talk. As I help, them I help.
Yeah.
Everybody have to see that. You see the piece of the window, this whole window jam last night, the debris just drop off inside this. And this and not left to drop. Me I take up water, me I feel, say, God, don't not make it drop on me. Very shaky. And the other piece, I saw too, one day I saw too. We don't live in it, you know, but that's where my mother keep close, because sometimes she sell bend down and so.
Oh, this part
But
here.
all of them are wet up for the chapel in them and I use.
Oh,
So we have to catch water, have to wash.
okay.
Take tick and push them in the drum and set pan, and sometimes they waste. So when you have them, know if you catch water and thing. Everything just smash up.
Yes.
I don't excuse any little thing there. You know, say back part look different from
Yeah.
Excuse us. See all the door. Yeah. My son did I use one peel for the breeze blow off the house after that a long time. And when nobody failed to put back one on the toilet.
Oh.
So I use him whatever. And him say him feels something, I push him shoulder, piece of the wall. See somebody me put some like this.
Turn over.
Collapse. Lick me off, it say, come on, run.
Oh.
Yeah, so the door now, me have a problem now. Gunman can't come in if they know. Come in for me. Every night, me have to take up this door about 1 month now. To tie on the pan this so. This a string this so. Me have to draw the zinc there and catch it open it. They give me a pain in my stomach. Sometimes I say me I go chop it up with my cutlass because I can't manage it.
I do.
But I know me I go put it up.
You don't put that in there.
No, me don't get but I know, but true.
You're left exposed more.
It affect me.
Understand.
Yeah.
It's very heavy.
Yeah.
And me have to still do it. Up to
Yes.
this man, me say, you know, say me I go get rid of you. Because you pain me stomach.
Oh.
Me I say, boy, at a life, this, if I saw we I go stay for the rest of my life. Can I try, me no try, as me say, a 3 letter right.
Yeah.
But the first 2, them did mention title, not the second one, so that was out. So this time, I know they say Prime Minister, you just get your documents, no title. And I send up that Ghana already, them send it up. Them tell me say everything went up, so I don't know where I stand with the Prime Minister now.
So you're just waiting.
Yeah, but as me say, boy,
Yeah.
I don't mind if me could have get something for cause the place and body can collapse pan way. In the kitchen when me a cooking now, my son a try the wall now if you drop just it a shake. Wall and shake it. The breeze shake them up more, the hurricane. You jerk them.
Yes.
Yes. So we are living is a life and the thing.
You're a part of a church?
Yes, but me no a long time me not go church again. Me have some problems.
Okay.
But a grand time church I've got me go.
Okay.
Pastor Reverend Peku is our pastor.
Okay.
But as me say, when the breeze blow.
So how you guys manage with food and all of that?
Well,
Seeing that you don't work now. Now how you manage to send your son to school?
Well, if me have anything for my place, like me sell Likkle turmeric. Over that place where you say about this for my uncle, but them now they now quarrel with me can dig turmeric. Fame family them the foreign and him buried the other day up there. So see a white sepulchre up there? Yeah, he was buried in November.
Okay.
So me free for dig turmeric me sell.
And the income from that you use?
Yes, and my mother. Sometimes we have clothes, we sell it. She sell clothes. If me get any clothes when not suit me, like because you know me not big as you see, me sell them same way.
Okay.
Cause him father now, through him I grow him not really I send nothing for him. Never normally I really run him too tough. He send back to school, and he got the last back to school in September. So.
Is your only child?
Yes, he's my only child. So that's how we live.
How does it affect him? You know, the living condition and...
He's accustomed to it. He's not really stressed over it. I'm going to say, he might go to the road and hang out, you know.
Yeah.
He leave and breakfast and make can. Carry grandmother go bus stop and he not come back around there for no way.
Yes.
Me understand. Because that kind of boring, nah, no friend to talk to and stuff. So as long as me know say married, me all go back at the light post and view if him alright and come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Peep.
Yeah, he hang out here. Yes. And if him grandmother take long for come in, if I could at 10 o'clock, him not leave till grandma come.
Okay. So you say she sell at the bend down, that's what now? Like second-hand clothes?
Yes.
At the market?
Yes.
Oh.
And as me say now, we sell like busy and turmeric to help out. That's how we live.
Wow. So is
we
there
have a family? I said not going to be, understand?
Yeah.
We're not rely upon family because you go yesterday them one working a cool to reach for them there. You know, so if them come out, they may give you $2,000 and it's not all the while. So I not rely on them.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is how the situation is. Yeah, I don't know. And I call them a chat, you can go peep.
This one's in there.
Go on quick.
I mean, it's a quick. So we have to put sheet. I say, please stand me now, the seat there. So you need to sit there. Yeah, because them collapse wall, so we couldn't live around this again. This year how much left? This year shake too. Them they shake it, well of them are going to this part and other, but the whole house shake it, that's a shake it too. We are cook shit there. So we are using so we have to take cloth and thing, put the floor by everything by the.
So what kind of house is this? Is this a government house?
No, my father make it, but they rush it. And family, was giving him a fight.
Okay.
Just rush up something.
Okay.
So I'm going around this one black. But them not make good car, him did make them.
Oh, your father made them. He's deceased.
Yeah, man, in the 22 years ago, May 27th.
Oh, okay.
Smoking.
Okay. So you have other siblings?
I'm the only child.
Yo, you're the only child for your mother?
I have a brother, but the brother will follow me dead. He lived 6 weeks and dead.
So you're supposed to reach then, because you want.
I know.
You not get everything.
Me have bad luck. I was in the church and I was at that on camera. We go with men,
Yeah, trick you.
Yes. Yes, I was tricked. Because I could be much better off. But he came in with his, promises and this and that. And then as soon as he got what he wanted, he started to change.
No married, never in it.
He never wanted to get married. He pretended. He even bought the things, but he didn't want to get married. And then he criticized me and people tell me, if he could have got married to all me. But then now he was a divorcee, so the family was kind of carrying a little grudge. Because they must say, I should have known, say, him never mean me no good if I used to beat up him wife. Well, I couldn't know. I live all the way around here and they were living up there on that side, so I couldn't know everything. But I'm tell him 1 million no, I don't know how me get to say yes.
He persuaded you?
Yeah. So I can't for it. What's done is done. Yes. But I swear in my heart that would never happen if I were to be born again. That couldn't happen to me. No man can fool me again. Because I'm going up in age. Yes. Nobody can fool me again.
You still can't born again. Even after God.
Yeah, I know. I understand.
Yeah.
That's your born again.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
I have tried that about 4 times and it didn't work. The time me have 1 foot in, one till me have to just step back because I cannot take criticism. I cannot take false accusation. I can't take it and I have a quick temper. Me respond bitterly to things like those.
Okay.
So that is why I can't run back with God. I am trying to, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. To stay. I would like somebody to share what scripture you read. No matter what, you could hear boom drop and you don't move. You stay in God's same way. If somebody can tell me what them do, then we follow it.
We're going to tell you.
We're going to tell you.
It's very hard for me, yes.
You have to pray for strength. Pray for strength, because you already know, the weaknesses. You ask God to just fill you up, and just give you strength so you can stay in the Word and stay with Him.
Why? If I had a quiet place to pray, but me can't pray there, so like the disturbance when me I pray, so
you can't pray, man. Try it. Wow.
Yes, I am Miss Janet Campbell, trying to get a house from the year 2020, let me say 2020. And I got no response. I heard I need title, so that was a no-no for 2020. So this last letter now, they say if I wrote to the Prime Minister, then that would be good. No title needed, just letters of recommendation and my documents, ID, TR, and taxes paper on what, yes, and I did all of that. So I am now waiting on the Prime Minister, but because of the deplorable condition that this house is in, I don't know when the Prime Minister will respond, because they say it is a process. Black House is a process. I don't know how long. So I am asking if there are any good Samaritans out there who can assist, I say these people, to assist me with a nice little house. I not go talk how much room, I not go talk, as long as we have the convenience.
If you even get one Plea house,
nothing is wrong.
You want to get a roof over your head.
Yeah, and me can go to my bathroom.
Yes.
The same place inside. Because sometimes you eat, you don't know what can happen to you in the night. By the time if you pull the door, because that's what happened to me there.
By the time you have to lift up the door.
Yeah, I messed up, yes. So I am running from all of those inconveniences which I have been facing for so long. Rain come, I have to be shifting up. I can't cook, the water is dropping into the pot. The cobweb for the zinc drop and all of them stuff. Insect are creeping, 40 leg, house lizard and all those stuffs. Rats, yes. Because one pack of pies can't kill off so much rat. Sometimes I run yesterday I run on my foot so like them I play.
Because they're surrounded by all the forest.
I can't take any more of this. It is not my fault why I don't live anywhere. It's just I don't know what to say. Yes.
Just circumstances.
Circumstances beyond my control.
Yeah.
I'm tired of living in this state. Morning when I'm asleep, I awake, it's on my mind. I'm eating. And for my mother, it is even worse. She's worried about it too. Because she's an elderly and she needs comfort.
Yes.
Rain a falling off here, set plastic. Me have to set plastic like when baby a pee wet bed. And better go close pan if you water not drop. I'm tired of that now.
Yeah,
tired. I'm tired of it. Wow. So I am pleading to any good Samaritans to assist these people so that they can assist me and my family. God will more than bless you as He always does. And thank you very much.
You are most welcome.
All I have to say.
Alright guys, so you have heard Miss Janet's story, you have seen her situation, and if there's any way in which you're able to assist her, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055. Alright, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.